Hi, my name is Dylan Moody, and this is my music video proposal for the Music Tech Spring 2021 class. The song that I chose is The Rose by Bette Midler, and here I have the lyrics separated by each individual verse that are in the song. I fell in love with this song performing it with my mom back in high school, and since I've already performed it before, it's going to be very easy to get the audio recording done, and then I'll just be focusing more on the video side of this presentation. So the main idea of this music video is going to be a romantic relationship. Since the song is talking of how love is good and bad at times, I thought why not present that in individual scenarios that we could have or see in a relationship. So the first scenario is going to be a romantic balcony view, a Romeo-Juliet style of him and her just making eye contact, super pretty. While also on the flip side, the not so good side, she's going to see him, but he's going to be paying more attention to a best friend or a different person in that scenario. In the second verse, we have the couple dancing and having a cute movie date, but on the flip side of the coin, we have the guy coming home from work, being really tired and not being able to do much, and then the girl in the relationship, it's more of like a husband-wife feel of her just kind of working or just seeing that he's super tired and not able to give you any attention for the time being. And for the third verse, I wanted to go big and grand since the end of the song has a lot of strong chord progressions of a beautiful proposal dinner, super romantic light and everything, just almost a prime perfect moment. Well, then on the flip side, the guy is actually just trying to look for a girl to have in a relationship, probably flipping through mutual. So for the audio and video, it's pretty close to around home. I'm going to be able to do the bulk of it here in my apartment. I'm going to be starting with the videoing of me at the piano and singing in a snow practice room. I have one that I can be in every day of the week, so the bulk of that will be done in that room. And then each other scene, I have some delegated areas. For the balcony, I have a beautiful stairwell near my apartment that we use, and I have a roommate and a FHE sister who was willing to help, and just trying to get the idea of a really big Romeo-Juliet feel. In the second scene, I have a roommate and his girlfriend who are going to be willing to help, and the idea is to have the dancing in the movie in my own personal apartment, or possibly our movie theater. There's a really nice pretty room for that as well, whichever one is feeling more of a romantic or grand gesture. And then the third scene, I have a couple from home that I know that are willing to use their own personal apartment for this nice formal dinner, and then on the side, having him not being able to have a relationship at the time being, probably at his apartment or maybe my apartment, depending on which one feels best. So for audio recording, again, it'll just be me on the piano and me singing the two parts in the snow room with the blue snowball microphone that I have. And I have the time set apart for 3:15 to 4:15, Monday through Friday through that room, so I plan to have the audio recording doing through those days, specifically not Tuesday because I have some conflict, so most likely the 7th, the 9th, and just a little bit of extra flex time in case something comes up, I have some extra assignments, whatever it is, I have those flex days to help me out. Then, the next following week, I'll have the video film, on which each one will be a little bit different because of the people that I'll be helping. With my roommate and the FHE sister for scene 1, that one will probably happen at the beginning of the week with less stress of finals or whatever end of the week assignments. For the second one, that specific roommate only is right now working and he has Thursdays off, so the June 17th will be the bulk of the day of being able to film with him. And then scene 3, my friend from home mentioned that he's off work on Saturdays, so June 19th will be the day to get that all finalized. And then being able to put all the video and audio together, the bulk of that will be done with the June 21st to the 23rd, that couple of days before the final submission of the project, because I do have an outing to go to at the end of that weekend. So this is just a brief rundown of a music video. I am really excited to do it. I love this song and I can't wait to be able to express it for you in the upcoming weeks. So thank you for your time.